In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the health of your HDD or SSD if you are going to buy a used one or if yours is old and you want to check it. So let's get started. First, we can do some simple stuff by using the Windows PowerShell. Search for PowerShell. Windows PowerShell run as administrator. Yes. Now we want to use this code Get-PhysicalDisk format table AutoSize. Copy this and I will leave it in the video description and paste it in here. Press enter and wait. Here it will show you I have two disks. Here I have, this is my SSD and this is the HDD. So here you see disk 0 and disk 1. SSD, HDD, operational status, okay, healthy. If it shows you fail or it shows you any error, that will mean that there is a problem with this drive. There is also another code, chkdsk. You can use it like this, chkdsk, and it's going to check the local disk C directly because it can only check one disk at a time. Or you can select it like this, chkdsk C space /F. This F refers to fix, so if there is any error, you can fix it directly. But for now, let's select C. If you want to change the C, just copy it like this. Let's remove, paste, and you can change the letter C to D or E, like D for example. But I'm going to leave it to C right now because I'm recording. And press enter. It's going to check the C drive files. It will tell you if there's any error and it will fix it. For now I'm recording and I'm using OBS, so I can't force it to stop recording. Now after that we can use some apps. The first app is called Hard Disk Sentinel. Just search for Hard Disk Sentinel. Open the first website. Go to download. Download any of these. It's okay, doesn't matter. Download Hard Disk Sentinel. Click download and it's going to start downloading. You will find a compressed file like this, open file. You will have the app here, you can install it. Just double click and start installing, next. After you install it, you will have the app Hard Disk Sentinel here. Here it will show you both of your disks. If I select disk 1, here it says performance 80% and health 90%. Problematic or weak sectors were not found, so it means this SSD is okay. Also here it says power on time, how many days have it been working, and estimated remaining lifetime more than 1000 days. Lifetime writes 11 terabytes. Also if you go to the second disk, this one I bought it used a few years ago. So here it still says performance 100%, I don't know how, and health 80%. It says good. It's recommended to continuously monitor the hard disk stats. So it says here power on times and estimated remaining days 80 days. Only 80 days are remaining. This means the HDD is not in a good condition and you might lose your files. So if you have anything important, make sure to back up your file so you don't lose anything. Here it says the temperature and health if it's working. Like if you are in a game or something and you want to check the temperature of both, you can see it here too. Another app is called Crystal Disk Info. Not Crystal Mark, Crystal Disk Info. You can download it from Microsoft Store, download it directly, and it's going to be installed on your PC. Crystal Disk Info, here is the app. Here it shows you the condition. Here is the first drive, and here is the second drive, D and E, and here is the C. And it shows you information about both, power on times, power on count, total host writes. So guys, on this app, if here it says nothing but good, if it says bad or it says error, you know that this drive is not good. Here it says good 90%. Here it says good, which means this is worse. Also down here, if you see any red circles or any errors, you know there are problems in here. So you can use it to check any drives that you are going to buy. And the last thing is going to be checking the speed of the HDD and SSD. We are going to use Crystal Disk Mark. Download it from here, Crystal Disk Mark. Here is the app. It's going to measure the speed of our drive. Download now. Already downloaded. Open file. After you download it, you will find it like this. WinRAR extract here. Extract to Crystal Disk Mark. Open the 64.exe. Yes. Now from here select your drives. This is the SSD and here is HDD, both of them. So let's select the SSD for now and select all. Now it's going to start testing your SSD read and write speeds. Now you can wait for a few minutes and see the read speed and write speed. So right now it's finished. You can now search online. For example, my SSD, it says 227. So search online for your SSD or HDD model and compare it with the Crystal Disk model. If you see a huge difference in between both, this means the SSD is slow or it has any issues or was used for a long period of time. So you can have a rough estimate if it's good or not. So everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.